Hello, Northbrook. Let's go all in with Composting 101. Let's start with why composting matters so much. The fact is Northbrook produces more trash than we have places to put it. To deal with this, we ship our garbage to places like Wisconsin, Michigan, and other parts of Illinois. Now sure, this gets the trash out of our backyard, but with every trash load we ship out, there's a cost coming back to Northbrook residents. There's also a global price we pay for not properly diverting waste away from landfills with methods like compost and recycling. The good news is, change starts right at home, one compost pickup at a time. There are many methods you can use to get composting. You can try the under-the-counter method. It's hidden, convenient, and easy to empty. You can freeze your food scraps to avoid odors and empty it once a week. Or you can go for the countertop method. It's easy to fit in your daily routine. So, some of you may be wondering, can you use bags? The answer is yes. But before you go to the hardware store or shop online, make sure you do your research because all bags are not created equal. Make sure they have the BPI certified stamp to ensure they're 100% compostable. So, what can you put in the bin? It's a yes to things like food scraps, paper napkins, yard waste, and a no to things like plastics, liquids, oils, grease, pet droppings, and large pieces of wood. Okay, class, that's it for today's composting crash course. Visit northbrook.il.us/all-in to learn more.